In a perfectly competitive market, every firm assumes that the market price is independent of its own level of output. Every firm assumes that the market price is independent of its own level of output. It means that it cannot influence the market price. That's what the idea is. So, see, generally speaking, every firm has two decisions to make. What should be the price of the product and how much it can produce. But here in perfectly competitive market, firm only has to worry about how much to produce. So the only question which remains with the firm is how much to produce. Right? And whatever the firm is going to be producing, it can be sold at only one price. It can be sold at a given market price. At a given market price, right? So whatever the market price is given to you, firm will be selling only at that price, right? So what you can say is that firms in such a case is a price taker. Firm is a price taker in a perfectly competitive market. Okay. The only thing is that okay, one more thing. Is this the only condition? That is, you are selling the identical products. You're selling the identical products. When I say identical products, I mean homogeneous goods. Right? Plus, there are many sellers in the market. Right? So, in such a case, this seems to be plausible that firms are price taker. They cannot influence the market price and they have to sell the goods at the given market price. Right? But, having said that, are there any other situations also in which the firms will be responding in a similar way? For example, in case of perishable goods market, wherein has given a very good example in which he said that think of a perishable goods market, for example, fruits or flowers. So these goods are of perishable nature. So what will happen is that even if there are very small number of firms, for example 3 or 4 firms, any particular firm will have to take the other the prices of the other firms as given. So you cannot influence that price, right? So even in that situation, your purely competitive market seems to be plausible. That you are a price taker. You're not the one who is going to influence the price. And the customers are going to buy at the lowest price. Customers are going to buy at the lowest price. So this lowest price becomes the given price, given market price. Okay, so this lowest price becomes the given market price and all firms have to sell only at this price. right? That's one thing. Um, Now, if you think about the demand curve for the competitive firm, right? Demand curve for a competitive firm. So, okay, like for example,